Hello guys, welcome back to your Helper YouTube channel. So from today onwards, let us start our data structures classes. So now let us start with our module 1 in data structures. First I'm going to give a brief introduction about data structures, and then we'll step into learning about our module 1. Okay, so let us know the introduction first. So data structure is a key component of programming where the data is organized, managed, stored efficiently, which makes the access to data and modifications easier. So this is the main definition of data structures. Make a note of it. It may be asked in your examinations for 2 marks or 1 mark. So make a note of it. So data structure is a key component in your programming language. Data structure is nothing but the data is organized and managed efficiently. It is stored in a very organized manner. So this is the meaning of that definition. Data structure is mainly classified into primitive or non-primitive. So the classifications, if any question is asked in examinations like what are the classifications of data structures, you have to write primitive and non-primitive. Primarily, these are the classifications of data structure. So primitive, let us see one by one. Okay, so first let us start with primitive. Primitive is nothing but the data types of your data structures, okay, though which we are learning from first year itself. What are the data types? Int, char, float, double, pointers. These are all the data types. So all these data types comes under primitive classification type of your data structure. And the second classification is your non-primitive one. Non-primitive is again classified into two types, that is linear and non-linear. So linear is again classified into two types, static and dynamic. So arrays comes under static classification, and linked list, stacks, queues, all these comes under dynamic one. And another one is non-linear, right? So it is again classified into trees and graphs. So basically we will learn one type of classification in one module, okay? Like now our first module is about arrays, that which is of type static. Second module is about linked list, stacks and queues, and third module is about trees. Fourth is about graphs. So like that it goes on. Let us start learning one by one, okay? So let us start with our module 1 first. It is nothing but arrays. So what is an array? Do anyone know it? No. Let me explain you. Array is nothing but a collection of heterogeneous, sorry, here I have written wrong, it is heterogeneous, not homogeneous. So array is a collection of heterogeneous values in which one or more than one value is collected with the help of one variable only. So first point is array is a collection of heterogeneous elements. Like heterogeneous, what is meant by heterogeneous? Don't panic, it is nothing but heterogeneous means it can collect values of many data types, not like one. Let me show you an example. See, here array, I am representing array with A here. It is your wish, you can represent with anything. AR or array, both are same itself. So array will represent using flower braces, okay? Array will represent using flower braces. Here I have taken two data types. See B and I, these are what? Character type, character data type. 9 and 8 are of integer type. So like this you can take string type also, and double type, float type, it is your wish. So let us make it 8.1. now it is of float type. So you can take any data type in your array collection. Understood? This is your example of your array representation, okay? So what is an array? Array is a collection of heterogeneous elements in which one or more than one value is collected with the help of one variable. So here these all data types, these all data is collected by only one variable, right? A is only assigned with all of these values. We are not using any other variable. So this is the definition of your array. So It is stored in a continuous memory location. So we are taking the data continuously, so that is why it is called as continuous memory location. Okay, so variable, what do we call variable? What is this A called specifically? This A has one name, that is nothing but named memory location. See why it is called named memory location is, this is what the location, where the location we are storing all these data, right? So this is known as memory location. This all data is named as A, right? So it is called as named memory location. If we call this name in your coding part, it will be accessible to all these data, right? That is why it is called as named memory location. This is your introduction of your arrays and a declaration. I think all of you are aware of declaration of arrays. See, int, float, char, these are all like first we will give data type. So here see, what do we give first? Syntax, it is nothing but data type. First we will give data type and then array variable, then array name or array size will be giving. Okay, data type, let us see an example. So first data type we have to give, right? Here what I have taken data type is int, right? Int is an data type. Now array variable, it can be like name and size. So array name, I am taking it as ARR. I have told you, right? Nothing but this one. ARR is nothing but this one. You can take it as your wish. See, here I have taken as ARR, X, STR. It is your wish. Whatever you are taking, it should be given in your programming language. That's all. So this is your data type. This is your array name, which I am giving. In place of ARR, you can also take as A. Nothing is fishy in it. And this is nothing but your array size. Remember, always array size should be given in square braces. Okay, array size should always be given in square braces. Don't forget it. Array size should always be given in square braces. So this number represents how many elements or how many values you are going to read in your programming language. Okay, so here I have given int ARR of 20. So in this programming language, I am initializing my array size to 20 so that I would be able to read 20 values in my programming language. So let us see next example. It is float. This is data type. Like when I have given float here, I will be reading float values only here. When I am giving int here, I would be reading only integer values here. So here I have given float. X is my array name, there is nothing in it, and then it is of size 10. So when I have given 10, I can read up to the extent of 10 float values in my programming language or less than it also. So less than or is equals to 10 float values would be read by me. Okay, this is how you will represent your arrays. This is your representation and syntax of your arrays. So this is the brief explanation of what is data structures, its definition, its classifications, and also what is an array, how to represent it, what is the variable called specifically in it, and representation of array, syntax of array. So this is all about your video, friends. In the upcoming videos, I am going to explain you in deep about arrays code programming language and linked list, stacks, queues. So it goes on like that. So please do follow, subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe so that it helps many students like you. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down if you want more content like this. Thank you so much.